Hi, this is Ben Basra with Remax Metropolis. As a professional realtor in Toronto, I've guided countless buyers and sellers through the complexities of our real estate market. One of my fellow realtors was selling a lot of condos and asked if I wanted to sell some to my clients, as he was making significant sales, earning $1.2 million just selling condos in a year. However, I felt the prices were too high and advised my investors against buying at that time. Looking back, I'm very happy I gave them the right advice. It wasn't a crystal ball, but the market conditions just didn't make sense to me. That's probably why I didn't make many big pre-construction condo sales. It's no secret that being a condo investor in Toronto is becoming more challenging. Declining rents have been a trend since August, driven by a surge in condo completions. This has led to more condos being listed for sale as some investors exit the market. Let's consider one recent case. An investor purchased a 700 square foot unit for $970,000, about $1,400 per square foot. Today, that unit might be worth 15–20% less. With a 25% down payment and a 30-year mortgage, the monthly mortgage payment is around $4,000. Adding maintenance fees and property taxes, the total monthly cost is approximately $4,800, but the rental income is only about $2,700. This leaves the investor with a monthly shortfall of $2,100, a tough pill to swallow. In the past, investors tolerated negative cash flow due to low rates and rapid price growth. However, with current high rates and slow price growth, holding onto a property with significant negative cash flow is challenging. The market sentiment is still bullish, but it's unlikely we'll see rapid price growth soon. Factors such as high mortgage rates and potential decreases in population growth are adding pressure. Traditionally, real estate investments are long-term commitments, and cash flow neutral properties are preferred. Toronto has been unique with its rapid price growth, but without that, holding a deeply negative cash flow property is hard. Over the next 12 to 24 months, we'll see how many investors continue to hold on. April saw the highest number of condos listed for sale in 25 years, indicating that some investors are starting to exit the market. It will be crucial to watch new and active listings and their impact on prices. If you have any questions or would like to discuss your real estate decisions, feel free to reach out to me and my team. We're here to help you navigate these challenging times. You can reach me through my website, benbasra.ca, or connect with me on any other social media. Looking forward to helping you make better real estate decisions. If you have any feedback or questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help.